Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So I am at a garden in Orange County, and this was designed by me towards the end of last year, I think it was. Anyway, I wanted to show you what the garden looks like now that it's been a minute. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. So all the trees in this garden are existing, and we've got some existing non-native plants, some new non-natives, and a bunch of natives. This agapanthus here and here was existing elsewhere that we transplanted here. This deck was installed by the homeowner and his friend, and they did a really good job. I like the blue pots there that add a bit of something. And there's tons of places here to sit and relax. There used to be concrete here, and we just put flagstone over top of it. Now they did keep some of the existing grass. And this mulch that they've used is gorilla hair. And so we have got some woolly blue curls in the back, sundrops, ceanothus, fescue, autumn sage, lavender, agapanthus, some, I believe that's a Mexican sage way in the back. And there are two rock speakers here that are kind of cool. Not much happening back here, just storage area. The other thing that we also did is in this garden area, the flagstone is set in sand and not mortared in. But in the area where the table and chairs are, for stability reasons, we had it mortared in. And I really like the collection of blue pots around and throughout the garden. That adds a pop of color and a bit of interest to the landscape.